Right guys and girls, dctmakes here. More for England than America, but what I've noticed is people putting, imagine this is a brick wall. Obviously not a brick wall, just a single brick, but imagine it's a brick wall. And you've got to put a piece of wood on it, and you've got to use raw plugs to anchor into the brick that have a flange on them. Right, see the flange on that, right? And then you drill a hole according to the size of normally they're written on the side, so 10, 12, whatever they are. I think this one's an 8. The problem is you put your piece of wood on, and then you've got to level it all up, and then you've got to hold it. I've watched people do it. They hold it in place, and they've got to drill through and make little marks, and then drill through the brick, take this away, drill through the brick, set the raw plugs in the brick, bring this back up, put the screws on, and then screw it onto the wall. Well, you can do it all in one. All you got to do is do the raw plugs without the flanges on the top, and then this one just happens to be a 7. So drill the holes in your board. They don't have to be anywhere at this point, just kind of in line. And get your drill. And in this particular case, the brick drill. And just locate one of the holes, put it on. You can put that piece of wood up, hold it in place, and then as long as your screw heads are bigger than the whatever the number is on the actual raw plug, don't put your screw in all the way. Put your plug in, just one of them. And this move all over the place at this point, right? And all you're going to do is tighten this one up a little bit. And the head of the screw is bigger than the number 7mm in this particular case hole that you drilled through, but you never move this board. Now all you've got to do is get your level, set your board up square, straight, however you got to set it. Take your tungsten carbide bit, just slightly put on the raw plug, knock your raw plug in, and there you go. Just make sure you got long enough drills, just your drill out for the depth that you're going through your piece into the brick, and you put it on, it's square, it's straight, and you never move the piece. Just a thought. Maybe I'm thinking wrongly out of the box, but I've seen a lot of people do it the other way. Drill through, mark it on the brick, take the piece of wood away, drill all the holes with the impact, set the raw plugs, and then put the piece of wood back up. Just seems like more work than it needs to be. Tell me what you think. Bye.